Okay, so Bahraini Tikka, or Iranian Tikka actually, I think it's originally from there. Black lemon, beef, absolutely beautiful stuff. Let's get on with this. This is one of my favorites. Okay, so to make this tikka, what we're going to do is use a couple of steaks. I like to use a nice quality steak because it cooks nicely on the barbecue. You don't want to kind of stew in tight. These are a couple of round beef steaks. What we're going to do is we're going to cut them into quite small pieces. Okay, so you can see I've cut that into nice small pieces. They could even be smaller if you wanted. We're going to add to that some salt and pepper. We're going to add to that some lemon juice. We're going to hit that with some nice quality olive oil. And then the main ingredient, the black lemon or black lime powder. And we don't want to be shy with that. Let me just show you that. Very simply, I'm going to go in with my hand. We're going to work this in. And then you need to cover this and get this in the fridge. Minimum 2 to 3 hours, I would say. Overnight will be delicious. And then we're going to skewer that up. And this is fabulous. I mean, really, really fabulous. Okay, so I've left that about sort of 4 hours now. That beautiful beef in that lovely black lemon powder and the other mixture. Now we're going to skewer these up. Now, for this type of tikka, you use these small, round. Very easy. What we're going to do is we're just going to pop this on. Now, what I haven't done, because I've used a really nice steak, is I don't have any fat. And under normal circumstances, what you'd do is you'd get some fat, like you'd get like 3 or 4 pieces, put a little bit of fat, 3 or 4 pieces, a little bit of fat. But unfortunately, we've used a really lovely cut of steak, so we don't have that. So I'm going to prepare these up. Don't squash them too close. Keep them nice and loose like that, then I'll be back. Okay, there you go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skewers of those. Beautiful. Now, the beef that I've used is a beautiful steak, and I've cut it a bit bigger than they generally would. It would be, you know, maybe half that size, but I like it that size that I've got it. So that's ready to go on the barbecue. That is one of my favorites, really. That is delicious. All right, barbecue's on, shades are on, tikka's ready, on it goes. And last but not least, down the end here, we're going to go for our beef tikka. Black lemon powder or black lime powder. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. Bit of salad with these guys, great. Again, about 8 minutes, 9 minutes, flipping it all the time. Man cooker, man cooker. Okay, there you go. That is wonderful, that stuff. I mean, that is beautiful. Let me just grab a bit and taste it. Wow, I mean, out of this world. Juicy, beautiful. Served with some rocket salad or rocker, white onion, some chili, some lime or lemon, jajir. And then served with some bread. You get what you do is get that in the bread, bit of each in, little bit of hot mint sauce, roll that up, eat it. Wow. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up, helps us out a great deal. Say hi in the comments. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.